everyone, welcome to the Jen Spice channel. Today I'm going to be opening gifts because this is my birthday week and I buy things from other soap makers. It's kind of like going to your local baker and getting a birthday cake, and for me it's soap treats that someone else made, which is absolutely wonderful. And yes, I get inspiration, and no, I don't copy them because I have so many ideas I don't need to. it's, it's kind of my thing, and anyone who is really invested in a specific art knows that there's an endless number of things you can do with your creative outlet, and I'm one of those people. But having said that, I have featured this artist before, and I bought a huge box of stuff from her again. She's a Canadian soap maker, and her company name is Sugar Plum Soaps. Now, if you've never seen her work, you need to check her out on Instagram because she takes amazing pictures, and her soap is amazing, and it changes, and it's fabulous, and I'm going to show you just how fabulous it is. All right, so let's tune in down here, and let's get started. Open it up. What we have from Brampton, Ontario. Oh my goodness, it's a party already. Holy cow. Now I have to tell you, last year she gave me a gift and it was just wonderful. She gave me this little fairy lights, and it's in my daughter's bathroom right now. It was in my bathroom for the longest time, but my daughter needs it now, and so I've moved it into her room, and every time I see it I think of Sugar Plum Soaps. So very, very cool. So I've ordered some different things. I ordered Sunshine Lotion, Release the Kraken Sugar Scrub, Leave Me Alone Bath Bomb with Truffle and Soap, which is Saskatoon berry scented, and the Celestial Summer gift set. So I kind of went crazy because, oh my gosh, her stuff is so awesome, and it's kind of a once a year thing. Sometimes I'll buy it. Let me give you a better shot of the box. Sometimes I'll buy it for Christmas for my favorites, but this year I was a little selfish and bought it for my birthday, and I am just so excited. So excited. I did buy something for my Christmas present already, and it's already under the tree, and it's only at the beginning of October, so yeah. And the soap maker I bought it from already knows that it's a Christmas present. Okay, so a note for me. Let's see what she has to say. Oh, this is a very pretty note. Many thanks. I hope you enjoy your order. Oh, and there's additional gifts in here. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Here is her card, and here is a magnet. So cute. Now, Debra is an artist, so you have to see some of her work. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So there's some surprises again. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Sugar Plum Soaps, handmade luxury bars, guest soap, sachet, and soap bombs. Party favorite shower guests, special events, custom created, no harmful chemicals, creative design, no animal testing, finest glycerin soap, essential oils, fragrance oils, made in Ontario, uniquely packaged with whimsical designs. Very nice. About the soap maker. Debra enjoys creating handcrafted soap for anyone who wants to cleanse their hands with a little smile, chuckle, or giggle without worrying about harmful effects or harsh chemicals having been tested on. I'm reading upside down. Without worrying about harmful effects of harsh chemicals or having been tested on any animals. The workshop is always jumping with various lines, including the signature fairies and angels, celestial and woodlands, three-dimensionals, spooky and sudsy, soap bombs, squeaker suds, and ice slice bars, guest soaps, and whimsical gift packages. Follow her on Instagram. Yeah, she's really, really great. You gotta follow her on Instagram. I do, and that's how I actually found her, which is crazy. There's a little frog. Thank you. Here's a little squeaker. My daughter's gonna love this in her bath if the dog doesn't I'm gonna stick things over here if he doesn't steal it from her. Wow, this beautiful paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's my birthday. Wow. Here's the first thing. Holy cow. This, support your local soap makers, guys. This is awesome. Okay, so we've got something in this beautiful little velvet bag. Oh, it's so soft. And what have we here? Sunshine Solid Lotion with a Satsuma fragrance. Now the Satsumas around here are really good in Canada. Oh, that's lovely. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice size too. It's not too bulky. Some of them are so big that they last 100 years and you feel like you're never going to use it up. This is like just the right size for a few months rather than 16 years. That's perfect. Oh, that feels lovely. What's in it? Cocoa butter, beeswax, and coconut oil and perfume. Oh, that smells lovely. That cocoa butter and coconut oil with that orange is just divine. Love it. Love it. So I'll put that there. Hopefully you can see them as they're coming out and see them at the side. That is the goal anyway. Okay. Next one. Oh, I love that color. I need to make a soap that color. My friend Karen from Eden Secret makes soap in these colors. Isn't that gorgeous? I have one that I'm using right now that I got from her. Just because. I think it was a stress buy. Oh, we've got a... Oh, I love her packaging. Oh my gosh, I almost don't want to open it. Leave Me Alone Bath Bomb Soap and Truffle. Does this look like something out of Beetlejuice? Oh, that's so pretty. Saskatoon Berry Fragrance. Escape to your tub for alone time pampering. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Dissolve in tub of warm water. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Be advised, due to butters and oils, this product may stick to tub surfaces that have not been cleaned beforehand. Discontinue if skin irritation occurs. External use only. Do not consume. Use caution when entering and exiting tub as surfaces may become slippery. Beware of choking hazards. Ooh, this looks really good. Oh my goodness. Perfect little warning. Look at that. And you know, tubs can get slippery. They can get slippery when wet. Oh my goodness, this is enormous. That is absolutely gigantic. That's like a cake plate size. That is huge. I thought it was going to be a quart of that. Oh, and it smells amazing. Oh yeah, that's amazing. We may have to chop this one up and test it, or maybe I'll just keep it forever because it's gorgeous. I love that skull. Isn't he spooky? Yeah, he's got a really spooky look on his face. That is so good. Cool. Oh, that is so awesome. So it's a bath bomb soap and a truffle all together, I guess. I'm guessing that the soap, I'm guessing this is the soap, or these are the soap, this is the truffle, and this is the bath bomb, or I'm not sure. But it's 3-element creation. That is, oops, that is spectacular. Okay, what's next? So we've got a little bag. Do you see what I got about packaging? Even if you just buy one thing from her, you're gonna get something amazing. And shipping from Ontario to the West Coast is expensive, so be prepared for that. Don't be too shocked. It's a 2-zone drive. Oh my goodness, that looks fun. Sugar Plum Soaps release the Kraken. Okay, I have to open this and have a look inside. I love mixed color things. If you don't know if you remember the rainbow micellar water I did for a custom order, that was really fun. This looks like another good color combination. It's a very strong water scent. A little bit herbal. I like it. Let's see what the texture's like. It's very light and very sticky. This is gonna be fun. And the colors really work together. So you're not gonna ever have mud when you stick close to the color wheel like she has. That's gorgeous. It'll just turn into another beautiful color. A third one when you mix the two. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So we'll put the Sugar Plum Soaps release the Kraken whipped sugar scrub. I'll have to do a sample. I'm gonna have to sacrifice one of these. Wipe my hands, unfortunately, because I'm not putting it on this beautiful little bag that came with that. Okay, what's next? I have to make some room there. Let's go inside. Let's see what I put down next. Alright, this, one of her angels. This is external use only bath bomb. This is a bath bomb. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, I remember this one. I love this. I love novelty molds, especially like nursery rhymes. This is so cool. Look at the detail of her painting. Didn't she do a great job? He's even got little peachy cheeks. It's just brilliant. Get that sparkle. And he's a bath bomb. Okay, what do we have next? So excited. Ooh, another thing. Oh my gosh, Deborah, you are the best. Look at how she packages everything so nicely. This looks like another, oh, I must have caught 2 Krakens. I'm gonna be enjoying this. I have one to share. Look at that, guys. Holy cow, lucky me. Woohoo. That's awesome. Look at that color. Rub onto skin, then rinse off for a gentle exfoliation. To the skin, you are in. It's time to dive into an adventure. Do not consume. I love that. Look at that. Look at that octopus. Isn't that the best octopus? Kraken. I know, because I love octopus and I'm always looking for octopi for my designs. That's awesome. That's really awesome. And we're down to our last one. And this is Sugar Plum Soaps Celestial gift box. Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, you and Karen from Eden's Secret really know how to do your packaging. Oops. Included celestial soap, bath tea, bath sponge, and earrings. You may use the enclosed tule bag for the bath tea to Coral Botanicals, in the bath tea too. And again, follow us on Instagram so you know when your stuff comes out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so celestial one. Everything is packed so nicely. Oh, there's candy in here too. That. These are so good. If you don't have these, you have to try them. They're so yummy. Oh my gosh. Oh, yum. I love gummies. You know me, girl. You know me. So here's the first one. Here's our soap. So the Celestial soap. That's nice. And here's the bath tea, and it comes with a little bag for it. Look at all those awesome botanicals. Now, I had plans to visit a spa or a place in China near Shenzhen City, or at least I think it was, because the lady who was talking about it lived near Shenzhen. And they have like entire spas where they put the herbs into the spa and make it amazing. So I'm going to be able to do this at home with this awesome looking bath tea. I love the packaging, by the way. And we've got a sponge. Another new sponge is always helpful. And the last thing are the earrings. Let's put the soap back in there. Oh, these are beautiful. I will have to wear these in a few of my videos. If you see those, they came from Sugar Plum Soap. And here's the stars. So there's the celestial part of this gift set. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna open those so you can see those. If you enjoyed this, please go visit. If you enjoyed this, please go visit Debra at Sugar Plum Soaps. She will definitely never disappoint you. This was amazing. I am so glad that I supported her, and she gave me so many extras. I feel so blessed. Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday to me. And I was bad this year and got myself a second gift. So wait for that. That'll come later in the week. No spoilers. You'll have to wait to see who I bought it from. Another soap maker, someone I've admired for quite a long time as well. And so if you enjoyed this channel selection, this unboxing, this birthday bash, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and come on back to my soapy kitchen while I create some of these kind of products in my own way. Bye for now.